Hey YouTube, it's original y'all TV screens, phone screens, whatever, and I'm back with a new video. As y'all can tell by the title, I don't even know what this video gonna be titled because I'm kind of just running errands today. I haven't been to school, so I'm about to go to school and see about homeschool and online school. So I'm about to go see about that. I gotta go to my job and get them some papers so I can come back to work because I'm feeling better. And yeah, y'all, I had a soap coming today from Uptown Soapbar. I will put her Twitter name and her Instagram name somewhere or in the description box. But yeah, I'm also gonna be trying that soap today. So this kind of gonna be like a vlog, I guess you could say. Right now, I kind of did my eyebrows, y'all. I'm learning still. I don't really know. I kind of did my eyebrows. I don't really know how it look or whatever. I'm about to just like finish getting ready. So today, y'all, what I'm wearing is this shirt and these jeans. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm wearing a shirt. Wait. A shirt with stripes on it, these jeans, and then some black and white bands. Y'all, I didn't charge my watch last night, so like I'm charging my watch. And yeah, you guys could get ready with me a little bit more. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to make up my bed and clean my room and stuff. Okay, y'all like my blankets. I got these while I was in the hospital, and I like love them. Like, my mama bought me one, and then the hospital gave me one. So making my bed,
fill this out for
making a video.
Fill this out for today.
So I'm about to put on my bracelets first, cause why not? And my babe, he bought me this little necklace and earring set for Christmas, and it's so cute. And I'm just gonna put it on today, cause I miss him. And these are the earrings. I'm gonna take these ones out. Yeah, I'm so happy that soap coming because my face is broken out so bad. It has literally broken out so bad. I think it's all the vitamins I'm on. Anyway, y'all ever hear somebody talking and then they talk about you and you just be like, yeah, I heard that. Girl, I don't know how you think that because I ain't gonna be driving all day. Okay, y'all. Now I'm about to take this off. I'm gonna be surprised if I don't like it. I don't really care. So, y'all, I'm basically pretty much ready. I'm about to go, like, probably wash the dishes or something.
Hey guys, her favorite sister here.
Want me to get in there?
Do you want to get in there? Because I'm not
like
cutting
this.
it out.
Don't cut it off.
She's so extra. But we about to go to Ihop, and then she about to. No, I'm about to go. We about to go to my school, figure out some stuff, and then she finna go to school.
I might as well just stay home.
And yeah. And let me get off my blog. I'll get back with y'all when I'm about to go. Okay? Peace. So, y'all, I decided I want to change my shirt because I don't want to wear this shirt. Plus, my mama got on the shirt that I got, so I'm gonna put it on, but she don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back with y'all in a minute. So, y'all, changed my shirt, and y'all know I have got all you can eat pancakes, so your girl about to eat. I really adore this necklace. Wait, I'll show y'all. Like, it's so pretty. Like, we about to get ready to go now. Okay, y'all, so wanna say hey to my vlog. Hey, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we just got in the car. We about to go to Ihop because people is hungry, you feel me? Girl! But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all probably later.
Or download for me.
Later, girl.
All right, go ahead. Do your
Anyway, let me get back with y'all another time. Hold on. Y'all see this light? Okay, y'all. We just got the Ihop.
Thank you, Mom.
And it's lit. Period. And this light is hitting. No cap.
Let me see.
Hey, y'all. Y'all see my daughter? Yes, I'm the mother.
Celeste a hater. Anyway, yeah, y'all. We just got to this Ihop. I'm gonna give it a shot when I get inside because this lighting is not it. So, y'all, we in here.
Your camera is so pretty, and then here's mine.
Cause you keep cracking your phone.
That's not one.
Anyway. Okay, y'all. So our food just came. My mom was just like, "You didn't record the video for your food."
I'm on point.
She was like, "You didn't record the video for YouTube or whatever." But yeah, I'm about to eat. I'll get back with y'all later, cause I ain't about to.
You could have messed up these all you can eat pancakes.
Period. But I get back with y'all. Okay, y'all. So we just left Ihop. And that food was good, honestly. Them pancakes was good, and I definitely did take some home. But now we got to take her to school because she want to go to school. Who wants to go to school? That's good though. But she want to go to school, so we about to take her to school, and then just run the errands. You feel me?
Y'all see she tried to dress like me on the slide today. I had my shirt on first, and then I come out the bathroom and she said, "Oh, what size shirt you got on?" And I said, I don't know. Well, I think that's my shirt. So I said, "Oh, this shirt is a large. Your shirt. Okay, here you go. Get your shirt and put my shirt on." She comes back with her shirt on.
Because y'all.
Period, Mom.
Okay, the way I'm editing this video, y'all seen when I said I see my mama got on the shirt I got on. So I'm finna put it on and see what she say.
Yeah,
I did it on purpose, but y'all see, I knew she was gonna say something about it.
she want to be my twin today. It's fine. Let me cut my music.
Y'all see the hater in the back, but I'm gonna get back with y'all later because I don't want to get copyrighted. Peace. Okay, y'all. So we're just leaving Dollar Tree. I didn't even vlog in there because I just wasn't thinking about vlogging. But yeah, y'all. I'm about to. I don't know where I'm about to go. Honestly, I'll get back with y'all when I get to where I'm going. Peace. Okay, YouTube. So I know y'all probably hear the air. It's hot outside, but ooh. Yeah, I'm about to be on my way home now. I'm picking up my little sister from daycare. Well, my mama picking her up. And when I get home, my soap should be in the mail. So we gonna get that and I'm gonna use it or whatever. And I'm gonna let y'all know. But I can't let y'all know just yet because it's my first time using it. But I've seen so many good reviews about it. Like, it helped hyperpigmentation. It helped clear up acne. It help you have softer, smoother skin. You can even use it on your body, your face. So I'm really looking forward to it. I really love this necklace. I know I probably said that like so many times, and y'all probably like, okay, we get it, but like, think like y'all get it. Like, I'm so in love with this, like, honestly, like, really. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so like I got home. I took my earrings and chain off, but I got home a few hours ago. I'm about to go check the mail for my stuff. Like I said earlier, I ordered some soap from Uptown Soapbar. It's a black-owned business basically, and like there's a lot of good reviews about her soap. It helps hyperpigmentation, acne, everything. Even you can even use it on your body. So like, yeah, I'm really excited. And I just got like a notification saying that it was here. So I see the mailbox, it's still out here, but I had just got a notification saying that it was in the mailbox. So like, yeah, I'm kind of early, but who cares? So y'all see my skin, it's like terrible, but It looks so nice outside, and the sun feels so good. And I actually need to start coming outside getting some sun. It's good for me. But I'm just waiting on the mailman to finish putting stuff in the mail, because it's kind of awkward if I go up and like try to get something while he putting stuff in. Plus, if I had that job, I would hate if people did that. So I'm just gonna wait until he's done and then go look. Okay, y'all. So I checked the mail, and mind y'all, I had got a message saying that my package was delivered in the mailbox at. It said package delivered in mailbox at 4:06 p.m. So I gave it a few seconds because I don't want to be in the man way. And I checked the mailbox, but nothing's in there. So I followed his truck because where's my stuff? It's like, you sure it wasn't in there? I'll check again. He said, if I find it, I'll bring it to your door. It was a big misunderstanding. The package was delivered, but the girl, I don't know how to say her name, but the girl who owns Uptown Soapbar, the company or whatever, she accidentally put the wrong apartment number, but it was in the same building. So he just checked the mailboxes again, and then he brought it to my door, and it comes in a package like this. I'm gonna unbox it with y'all. So y'all, this soap come in like a package like this or whatever. It's real cute or whatever, and I can feel it in here. I ordered the samples just to see how it work on my skin. Y'all, every time I try to open like bags, I should have got scissors, but that's being extra, right? But this is the soap bars. They kind of melted a little because of the way they were packaged. And they have a sticker on it that says homemade with love, and it's like packaged like this. They all smell good. I could smell them like right now. This smells really good. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna look on her Twitter maybe and see something, because I'm not really on Instagram, so I can't really look. But this smells good. This smells good too. I don't know what this is. It smells real. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what these are. The last one. Okay, you guys. So y'all know how I said that I didn't know what the soaps were. I texted her and told her that I didn't know, and I sent her a picture of the soaps, and she told me what all of them meant. And then on her page, she has like descriptions of what they do. So I'm pretty satisfied with what I got, and I can't wait to try it. And stay tuned for my next video, because I will be trying it. This was basically like the unboxing and how it comes and stuff like that. So like, this is like the Ivy soap, and then I forgot what she said this one was, but I have it in my messages. And then this is like a turmeric soap, and it's real good with brightening and hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. And then this is the honey oat soap. So I can't wait to try these. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And I can't wait to see which one's best for me, so I can know which one to order next time. But yeah, like I said, if you guys watch this video for long, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.